Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a graph in Google Sheets using an example with stocks and their prices. Graphs are a fantastic way to visualize your data and make it more understandable. Let's start by opening a Google Sheet with the data you want to graph. For this example, we'll use some sample stock data. Step 1. Enter your stock data in the spreadsheet. For example, we'll use columns A and B for the stock names and their prices. Step 2. Select the range of data you want to include in your graph. In this case, select cells A1 to B6. Step 3. With the data selected, go to the Insert menu at the top of the screen. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on your selected data. The default chart type might be different, but don't worry, we can customize it. Step 5. The chart editor will appear on the right side of the screen. Under the Setup tab, you can choose the type of chart you want. For stock prices, a column chart or bar chart works well. Let's select a column chart. Step 6. You can further customize your chart under the Customize tab. Here you can edit the chart title, axis labels, colors and more. For example, you can set the chart title to stock prices and label the y-axis as price USD and the x-axis as stock. Step 7. Once you're happy with your chart, close the chart editor. You can move and resize the chart as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully created a graph in Google Sheets using stock data. This visual representation makes it easy to compare stock prices at a glance. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.